Imagine it. 5 years from now, your home addition could be a source of pride, comfort, and savings, or it could be a drain on your wallet and a daily frustration. The difference? The next few minutes. This is your chance to build an addition that works for you. Wrona Construction is here to guide you, starting with how energy efficiency can transform your space. Imagine creating a cozy, energy-saving bubble around your home, keeping it warm in winter and cool in summer. The benefits are clear. You'll save money each month on energy bills, and you'll have a space that feels comfortable no matter the season. Plus, an energy-efficient addition can add value to your home, which is a nice bonus for any homeowner. So, how do you make this happen? First, take some time to plan. Think about how you're going to use the new space. Maybe it's a bedroom, kitchen, or sunroom. This step helps you understand the energy needs specific to that area. When it's time to pick materials, focus on insulation. Insulation is key because it controls temperature, keeping the heat in during the winter and out during the summer. Look for insulation materials with a high R value. This just means they're extra good at keeping temperatures steady. Pair this with energy-efficient windows, ideally double pane with a special coating called low E glass, and well-sealed doors that don't let drafts in or out. Don't forget about the roof either. A cool roof can reflect sunlight, which really helps reduce cooling costs during the hot months. At Wrona Construction, we know that smart design choices can also make a big difference. Think about using windows and skylights to let in natural light. This will reduce your need for electric lighting and make the space feel bright and welcome. You might want to consider a zoning system for heating and cooling too. That way, you're only using energy in the spaces you're actually using. Choosing the right appliances and systems also makes a big difference. Look for items with the Energy Star label. These products are designed to use less energy. For heating and cooling, a high-efficiency system can go a long way. And you might also look into tankless water heaters, which only heat water when you need it. Now, finding the right professionals is crucial. Look for builders who have experience with energy-efficient construction. Don't be afraid to ask about their previous projects. It's worth it to invest in quality materials and skilled labor. Wrona Construction brings years of experience to the table, and while efficient materials and labor may cost more upfront, the long-term savings on your energy bills make it a smart move. Many people find they save hundreds of dollars each year. Remember, keeping your energy-efficient addition working well isn't just about building it right. It's about maintaining it too. Regularly check the insulation, windows, and doors, and make sure your systems are in good shape. This will help keep the addition performing efficiently for years to come. In the end, choosing to build an energy-efficient addition means you're not only adding extra space, but also making a smart investment in your home's future. Plus, you're making a positive choice for the environment. It's a win-win that brings comfort, savings, and a smaller carbon footprint. If you found this guide helpful and want to learn more about home improvements and real estate trends, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At Wrona Construction, we help homeowners build their dream spaces, one project at a time. We'll see you in the next one.